Hello friends, today our topic is
the use of a and an. A is used before the word that starts with the sound of a consonant. For example, a book, a chair, a pencil, a cat, a girl. Now I'm telling you where an is used. An is used before the word that starts with the sound of a vowel. And our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an elephant, an owl, an igloo, an umbrella. Now,
we will do copy work.
our topic is use of a, an. Children, look at the words which start with the vowel sound. We will use an, and with consonant sound, we will use a. Now, the first letter of egg is E. It's a vowel sound. So, we will use an. Very good. A, an, an. An egg. Next word is banana. The first letter of banana is B. Girls, tell me, is it a vowel? No. So, what we use? A or an? Yes, a banana, because it's not a vowel. Come to the next word, igloo. See, the first letter of igloo is I. Now girls, tell me, I is a vowel? Very good. So, we will use an with the word igloo. A and an igloo. Next is tomato. The first letter of tomato is T. So, T is not a vowel. We will use a. Very good. A tomato. Next word is umbrella. And the first letter is U. It's a vowel sound? Yes. So, we will use an. A-N, an. Come to the last picture, that is book. Now tell me, first letter is B. So, is it a vowel? No. So, what we use? A or an? Well done, girls. We use a book.
I hope you like this